So guys, we are literally so mad. And get ready with us.
So mad.
So get ready with us to go to freaking Mexico.
Mexico.
And not Italy. I wanted to go to Italy because it was like, Italy is like so much more fancy and like expensive, but like Mexico
is like cheap and where homeless people are.
So we're gonna do a little clean girl makeup look today.
I know, right? We're gonna look stunning after
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Oh my god, you know, I should look so
That's not even enough. Like, I ran out of brow pencil. I heard that's good for you.
Yeah, apparently, like, if you put mascara, mascara under your nose, like, apparently you'll not get break.
So, guys, we are literally so mad right now. I'm gonna put some Rare Beauty blush.
So amazing.
So, like, can you guys relate or not? Because, like, this is so freaking annoying.
I know, right? They're just, like,
who would take
parents.
their 10-year-old daughters to Mexico? Like, we're not even that spoiled, guys.
Yeah, we're just, like, gorgeous.
Like, we are literally the most prettiest girls in the world. At least all the boys will fall for us at Mexico.
Literally? Yeah.
Mexico.
I don't think you can see my blush enough.
Thanks, girl. Yeah, I got a nice, good amount. Yeah, I think I got, like, the best amount. Yes! Alright. Oh, great. So, we're gonna go with our next. It's like, guys, I got the gummy bear, and, like, my mom said I have to stop going to Sephora for a week.
I got this one. And our moms are just like so mean. They said we can't go to Sephora.
For a week.
I know, but
like how are we gonna live? She was saying that like she lasted when she was alive. I was like,
that's why you're so ugly right now.
That's why you're so freaking wrinkly. Like
you need this wrinkle serum from Jungle Fat. My mom says I can't get it because it has retinol in it, but that will make my skin amazing and it won't be wrinkly when I'm older, when I'm 68, like when she is. She's
like,
gonna be wrinkly.
oh, that's why it's so wrinkly. Like she doesn't even use retinol. That's so bad. I need
now we're gonna go in with this 59%.
We gotta go.
It's okay, but we had to get the little size because our mom's like on a budget.
This is the big size.
No, it's not.
Oh, you're right. You're gone.
Our mom's isn't wearing like it's on like a budget. She's got it like
Good. Now you have some hand sanitizer.
This is a rainwater because like I wish I
put some on my fit.
Look how amazing this we look. So my sister, she just passed out.
So guys,
My setting spray, also known as my hand sanitizer.
hey! So guys, now our mom said we have to share our makeup. So
I'm like, sister, no!
So guys, that's why. But I guess we're done and we have to go to Mexico. So
And we're going to the airport right now, so we'll let you know what happens in Mexico.